So hey guys, I want to share something with you. This is on the 2021 Honda Pilot. I don't know if you guys were aware of this. It's a little, I don't know if it's a trick, but I didn't know, and a lot of people on the internet didn't know, that the car will show you exactly how many pounds of pressure are in each tire. Now when you go to the main screen, it'll tell you if one's low, but it won't tell you like this screen right here. I have low pressure in these two tires. So what you do, push the home button. Okay, show you the screen here. Okay, now you're going to go down to where it says maintenance. Okay, now push the enter button or the center button. Now it says tire pressure, and you click on there, and here you go. It shows you each tire and what it's running. Now I've seen on the internet a lot of people said it doesn't, because like the Acura products do, they tell you each tire. Well, this does too. But it won't show you on the initial screen. It'll just tell you when one's low, it'll be like it'll be red. So you have to go into the actual setting where it says tire pressure, and it brings up each exact tire. So that was pretty neat. I didn't even know it did that. So nothing crazy, guys, but I wanted to share that with you. If you guys have a Pilot and know it's frustrating when it doesn't tell you exact pressures, well, now it does. So I'm not sure if it works on the 16, to 20. I'm not sure with that, but thought I would share that with you because it can make it a lot easier when you're airing up your tires too, to make sure you get it just right. Okay, guys? So hope that helped some of you guys out. I appreciate all the support I'm getting. I really do. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.